Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Heidi here. I'm just doing a quick unboxing. This is my, I wasn't buying anything else, but this is thanks to my husband for my Mother's Day gift. I just took it out of the box because it just saves time. I should only have one invert in here, which I never thought I'd have. Which I can see right there. I normally would never ever spend this much on a spider, that's why I'm saying. Great thanks to my husband. And I also got an ultra fine mister, which I was kind of expecting to be like a silver metal, to be honest. Mind. Not sure what size enclosure I need. I've got two spare enclosures. So I've got a small one and this one. So what I've actually got is Theraphosa Blondi, 4 centimeters. Hang on. Oh, right there. Let's check for me. Tweezers. Dolly, lie down. The dog insists on wandering up and down when I'm doing something. Right, so it's actually pretty small. So this enclosure's definitely got to be too big. So is the other one actually. So let me just see if got something else I can put it in. Pardon me. Some enclosures are going to be too small, some are going to be too big. I've got the perfect one there, but I've not got holes in it. I think what I'm actually going to do for now is I'm just going to put it in this one. Dolly, move. So we'll just get your stuff out ready. Excuse me. I wasn't going to video it and then change my mind at the last minute, so that's why I'm a bit unorganised. Well, at least my substrate's ready. So using my usual cocoa fibre with vermiculite. Put plenty in there just so I might do a bit of burrowing. And cocoa fibre, not cocoa fibre, hide this piece of coat back, and where it is, a little water dish here as well. I'm not sure where it's gone. No, I don't know what I've done with it. It was literally here a second ago. As soon as I start moving stuff, I lose everything. Let me just put this back. No, I can't find the water dish. So we're going to do some more. Right, so let's get into Theraphosa Blondi. 4 centimeters. This is from Spider Shop, by the way, I don't know if I said. Oh yeah, this enclosure might be a bit overkill. I'll rehouse it in here for now. and then yeah, I just feel like it's too big even to leave for now. So let me just quickly see who I've got. Oh, I've got one here. It's got no holes in though. I think that'll be better. I'm just going to quickly use my reamer, hole reamer, to put some holes in this. Just realised I'm not sure where my lid is. Very quiet this morning. Kids only went to bed really late. Really late. Right. I wondered why that was, it's been a bit funny. You know, punching holes in, it's actually bent at the end. I'll snip that off with something. So let me take this back out of here. That's better. Don't think I've got a really small piece of cardboard though. They're all pretty decent sizes. No, I've snapped that off. I'm just going to end up with a little flimsy bit. So I can snap a piece off this one. Yes. I don't think it'll fit in though. Yeah, it will. Gonna squash down. And the lid might be a good idea. Well, that's not going to fit on. Excuse me a second, I need to bury this further down. Even then, I don't think the lid's going to go on. No, it's not. So if we get it down to the bottom, it might go on then. No, it's just that little peak on it that's stopping it from closing. Try one more time. Yeah, it goes on now, just about. I've normally got all this ready, like I said, I wasn't going to video, so I'm very unprepared. But it can get underneath that back. Just press it away from me holes. Really look. Not threatening. Well, it's threatening everything. Tissue. I've got to catch a cup to one side. So we can bring you a bit closer. Not much closer, but somebody's in a bad mood. I'm going to take you off there so you can see him properly. Somebody's in a really bad mood. I think I might have walked him up on the wrong side of Dad. Moody bottom. There we go. One. Theraphosa Blondi, I was going to say stomach. It actually doesn't look that small now, it's in that pot. So yeah, happy Mother's Day to me. Just going to get this lid on. I'll put my water dish in a bit. Stop being naughty. I have to relabel it. Oh, I'm sure I'm not going to forget in a hurry. This one is. Auntie Blonde in a bad mood. She'll have fun rehousing that soon. I'll see if it's hungry actually. I very much doubt it's going to eat. Let me just... I'd normally get a Jubia out, but I'm just going to use the mealworms right there next to me. Jumping around like crazy. Not sure what size to put in. But I'm in between these size on. So just eating the mealworms immediately start digging. Not want it. Now what I'll do is I don't want that disappearing. Oops, sorry, I'm on camera. No, I'll feed it maybe tomorrow. So that's all for today, guys. That's all I got. I never seem to be lucky enough to get any freebies. But yeah, looking forward to this one going bigger. Hopefully I'll look after it well. beautiful. I was expecting it to look more brown than that. So yeah, I'm going to relabel it. That's it for today guys. That's the trail. I got that enclosure and the spider tarantula. So thanks for watching. As always guys, I'm going to enjoy the piece while the kids are still in bed. See you next time. Bye.